Boxy Lady is one of our most popular warm weather projects. It is so fast and easy to make and is a great project for a beginner knitter. If you can do knit and purl, you can make this top. It's a great project to take your knitting to the next level. This beginner-friendly class will take you through entire process step by step. Knitting pattern and stitch library are also included to help you on your knitting journey. This top is made with Loopy Mango Summer yarn. Summer is a bulky weight and it's 100% soft unmercerized cotton. It's available in many beautiful colors.